Okay, Miguel, what are you gonna cook today?
Cookies for Kuya!
What kind of cookie?
It's normal?
Oh, okay. Does it have chocolate?
Yes.
Ooh, what are your ingredients?
Flour and
Nuts,
nuts and
butter,
butter and chocolate glass and
sugar,
sugar and
brown sugar,
brown sugar,
salt,
salt,
vanilla,
vanilla,
baking soda,
baking soda,
and baking powder.
and baking
Okay,
powder.
why don't you first mix the baking soda? Where's the baking soda?
Here.
The baking soda. Yeah, you can put that. Yeah, baking soda, salt, baking powder. Mix it all in the powder. The powder, my love.
Over here.
Yes. Put all the powder. Make sure everything is inside. Okay? Make sure nothing is left behind. Okay, sige. Oo. How about the other powders? Yes. Yep. Wait a minute, ha? Salt, the pink one. Where's the pink one? It's called the sea salt. Yeah. Okay. All in. You can use your finger. Right? Okay. How about the baking powder? Yes. The little bowls. Okay. Why don't you mix it with your what do you call this? I don't know what this is called. This one. Okay. But hold the bowl so that make sure not one of the powder drops. And hold the bowl probably. It's fine. Just maybe a little. It's fine. Okay? Done? Okay. Just put it back there. Just leave it there. Okay? And then, you see the butter? Where's the butter? Can I see the butter? Okay. What do you put inside? The sugar. Yes. Both sugar. The butter, yes. Just pour it all in. Make sure nothing is left behind.
You can use that.
Yeah. How about the brown one? Brown sugar?
Which one?
Which
This?
one is brown? Yes.
This?
Yes, my love.
Two of this?
Just one.
One at a time.
Yes. One at a time only.
There?
Yep. Okay. Can Mama help you cream it?
No, the other one.
Not the other one first. Alright. Let's cream it. Mixing.
It's a bit hard working.
Yeah. Well, cooking is hard work.
For farmers.
It's for farmers? No. Yeah. But it's kind of true. Because farmers work hard too. Oh, then why don't you add the egg? Just leave it there. Add the egg. Yeah, crack in that bowl first.
Put it in the bowl.
Okay, yes. Can I see? Okay. Yeah, that's more than fine. Did any of the egg fall?
One egg.
Okay.
There's one yellow thing.
Rest. Okay. And then, Where's the vanilla?
This.
Yeah, that's correct. Put it
And
in the.
time for the chocolate here.
Yeah, mix it now.
Wow.
The egg. Oh, let go of the. Let go of the vanilla plate. Let go so you can use both hands. Maybe put it back in the tray first. Put the plate back in the tray. The plate, the one that the vanilla came with. Yeah, that one, that orange one. Put it here. So it won't break. Okay? Then, mix it. But put your hand on the bowl because if the bowl slips, you no longer have a cookie.
And then bake again.
Yeah.
But sleep again. Sleep again.
And again and again. Okay, why don't you bake well? Mix well. Mix it well, mahal.
I'm done.
It's done? Is the egg yolk broken? The egg yolk? Check the egg yolk.
The egg is broken.
Okay. Yes. And then mix it well, my love.
The flour is too hard.
Hold the bowl. You want to make sure it doesn't drop.
This is how it is. I'm gonna take out those really train back.
Okay. You gonna put it?
Chocolate?
Yes. Yep. You can use the spoon to mix it up.
You can use your hands on it. But you can use your hands.
How's it going?
Now what?
Now you can mix it with a spoon. Be careful that the chocolate.
Wise man.
Why are you the wise man?
I made chocolate.
Oops, it may drop. But do you think there's enough chocolate on it?
Yes.
Do you want to eat it?
No.
What?
Hello.
Why not?
Right. Really?
Okay, finish.
Hello. This.
Make sure the bowl doesn't fly.
Balls cannot fly.
It can fly if you're not holding on to it.
Why? This one is fly.
Why is that so konti? Dapat puno. Punuin mo pa. Ah,
This is big.
okay.
This one for Papa.
Okay. Why does Papa's one is both?
This is mine, and who's this of Papa? And who's this again?
I don't know. Who do you want to give it to?
To Lala.
Lola. Okay.
When it's his birthday, we will give this to Lola.
Okay, and then...
But it's not yet his birthday, so we should put this in the rest.
Okay.
Or change it. And this is mine, and Lola, and who's gonna be this?
I don't know.
For everyone.
Why do you like putting chocolate on the cookie?
This one is for you. It's not yet his birthday.
You can put more than one. What if they want more?
Everyone has to have one. My teacher said. That's all.
Oh, only one? Is it good? Can I see?
This one is mine.
Okay.
Hamas cookies.
Kinda and so.
And
It looks good.
press this button.
It's a little bit.
Maybe I should.
Ganito.
Maybe there's
Look at
a.
me. No, look at me. Ganyan. Tapos ganun mo siya.
Miguel baked that, guys. He worked hard for
Ganyan,
that.
ganyan mo sa milk. Ang sarap.
You like your
Ba't
cookie?
yung Miguel walang milk?
You want, this is his milk.